GPD offers 3 accumulator options for 2000 to 2007 Chevrolet Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, and GMC Denali to suit different models. GPD Accumulator 1411647 is a replacement for the models without a rear AC system. It can be identified by a peanut-style fitting for the hose connection at the 12 o'clock position. GPD Accumulator 1411734 is a replacement for the first-generation accumulator design. It can be identified by a block-style fitting for the hose connection. GPD Accumulator 1411648 is a replacement for the second-generation accumulator design. It can be identified by a peanut-style fitting for the hose connection at the 3 o'clock position. It is important to identify if the original accumulator is a first-generation design versus the second-generation design, 1411648. Although GPD Accumulator 1411648 is suited for this model, it will require a new hose assembly if the original accumulator was a first-generation design. Don't forget to re-insulate the accumulator after replacement to prevent sweating, which reduces cooling efficiency. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.